Hi, everybody. The last few days in class, we have worked on slope and y-intercept. So I just want to review that topic with you and make sure you're on the right page. I have two lines graphed here in Desmos. The red one is y equals 3/4 x plus 1, and the blue one is y equals negative 2x plus 3. You'll notice that they're both in y equals mx plus b form, and they both create straight lines. To look closely at the slope, you have to look in front of the x. So the slope in the red line is 3/4, and the slope in the blue line is negative 2. The y-intercept of the red line is positive 1, and the y-intercept of the blue line is positive 3. Let's talk about the red line first. On the red line, if you start at the top of the y-axis and start tracing down until you hit the red line, that's where the y-intercept is. So the y-intercept here is at positive 1. And if I pick another perfect point, we've talked about perfect points just being at the corners of our grid. Here's a good one. I can look for the slope. So I have 2 points. I'm going to look for the rise over run between the 2 points. So from this point, up 1, 2, 3 grid spaces, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's why my slope is 3/4. Now the blue line. Blue line has a y-intercept from its equation of positive 3. So if I do the same thing and look at the y-axis until I hit the blue line, that point is at positive 3. So that's why the equation has a plus 3. And if I find another perfect point again, this one looks like it's in a corner. I go down 2 and over 1. So that's a rise of 2, a run of 1. But notice that it's a negative 2 since the line is decreasing and we went down 2. Now, notice that there's not a denominator of 1 for the run, and that's because you don't need it. Negative 2 has the same value as negative 2 over 1. So both ways of writing it are correct. I hope this helped. Bye.